Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Michael again. So I wanted to do a quick update on my autonomous AI desk that I've had. I purchased the SmartDesk 2 sometime in November of 2016. The last time that I did a video, I kind of talked about how sometimes the desk would actually creak when you were raising and lowering it. One of the things that I actually found out was that down at the very bottom here, there's this little bar that when you're putting this together, this nut right here, you have to make sure it's really tight, otherwise it's going to squeak. So it wasn't an issue with the autonomous AI desk, it was actually user error because I didn't assemble it correctly. But since I've tightened that nut down, the desk is completely silent. So I've had this thing for over a year. It hasn't failed me once. It works just as you would expect it to. Every time you press that button, it lowers it. So it's a pretty. I think it's actually pretty quiet. It's a lot quieter than I thought it was going to be when I ordered it. But since then, it's been 100% reliable. It's one of those purchases that I'm going to have for a really long time. It was a great investment, and it was worth every single penny that I paid for it. One thing that I will note, however, is that this desk, the top portion part, it does tend to scratch a little bit easy. So I have a little bit of dings here and there from dropping stuff on it, but it does scratch a little bit easy. But otherwise, it was one of the best investments I've made in quite a long time. When I was actually looking for stand-up desk motorized ones at the time, about a year ago, these things were probably going for at least $1,000 from most companies, and autonomous AI at the time was really the only company that was offering anything that was affordable. And when I actually purchased mine, at the time it was $250 plus there was a $50 shipping fee to where I live here in Chicago, and the price has gone up a little bit. But if you'd like, or if you're interested, I'll put my promotion code down at the very bottom of the in the description. Right now, for Christmas of 2017, they are offering a $50 off for the SmartDesk 2, and then if you use my promotion code, they'll actually drop in another $25. So it'll actually knock $75 off of this $299 price. Now, when I purchased this, at the time, autonomous AI had only had 2 desks that were available, but since then they've added on a few more desks. So you can get a SmartDesk 2, and this is their most recent one, which I believe is still on Kickstarter as well. But this is a SmartDesk 3, which it looks very similar to all of their other desks, except this one just has, as you can see, it has a screen built into the desk, and then it has like its own customized software to tell you, you need to stand up because you've been sitting too long, or you can actually order food off of it because it uses Android, so you can install apps on it as well. And then they also had the do-it-yourself kit, which basically just comes with the stand, but then you just build your own tabletop here. And then they have one for business users. It's a SmartDesk First Class. Not quite sure really what the difference is between these ones and the other ones. I guess maybe it looks like the tabletop here looks a little bit nicer, but otherwise I'm not quite sure it's really worth the $150 that they're asking for there. And this one, I might actually pick up this one for work. This is a SmartDesk Mini. The exact same concept, motorized, but this one only allows you to put on one monitor instead of 2. But that is still pretty nice. I mean, it's $199, which is not bad. And then they have the SmartDesk Art. So yeah, as you can see, that looks pretty nice as well. But unfortunately, I don't know anything about woodworking to be creating my own tabletops. And since then, they've added a bunch of accessories to their website as well, like an anti-fatigue mat, which is actually pretty nice. I usually just stand without a fatigue mat. It's not bad. But otherwise, yeah, I'm really happy with this desk. It's been a kick-ass desk. Very reliable, works as expected, and if you decide to pick one up, I think it's going to be well worth your hard-earned money. So yeah, thanks for watching my video and listening to me blab again. See ya.